Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the essentials of hazard perception, specifically tailored for the driving test. Hazard perception is all about identifying potential dangers on the road as they unfold. It's crucial to know the precise moment to react in order to maximize your score. In this introduction, we'll explore what exactly constitutes a hazard, the ideal timing for your click, and how to avoid common pitfalls, such as clicking too frequently, which can invalidate your attempt. We'll also highlight the importance of staying vigilant at all times. It's important to remember that the timing of your click is key. Clicking too early or too late can cost you valuable marks. Therefore, you should aim to click precisely when you recognize a developing hazard. This demonstrates that you've truly perceived the danger and are prepared to respond appropriately. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped with the knowledge and techniques to excel in your hazard perception test. All right, let's focus on the clip now. As the video begins, you can see we're driving along a multi-lane road. There's a car directly ahead of us in the same lane and several other vehicles moving steadily in their own lanes. At this stage, traffic is flowing normally and there's no immediate need to react. Now keep your eyes active and continue scanning the road ahead and to the sides. A short while into the clip, notice the vehicle traveling in the lane to our left. Watch its position carefully and pay attention to its behavior. At this point, I want you to let the clip play through to the end without clicking. Don't rush, just observe how the situation develops and think carefully. Now here's your challenge. At what moment do you think the hazard began to develop in this video? Take a moment and choose one option. Option A, when the vehicle first appeared in the left lane. Option B, when the vehicle in the left lane activated its indicator. Option C, when the vehicle actually started moving into our lane. Option D, when we had to slow down to maintain a safe distance. Pause the video here and comment below with A, B, C, or D. I'll give you about 10 seconds to decide. Let's review the clip now. As we begin, you'll notice a few cars ahead of me. At this point, I spot a lorry approaching from the left lane. This is the crucial moment to click because the lorry will eventually merge into my lane as the road converges. By clicking at this exact moment, I ensure that I'm prepared to slow down and give the lorry enough space, preventing any potential accidents. Remember, hazard perception isn't about reacting to what has already happened. It's about recognizing what could happen next. Clicking at this moment places you in the highest scoring window because you've recognized the hazard early, not too early, and not too late. If you waited until the vehicle physically entered your lane or until you had to slow down, your click would likely fall into a lower scoring band, or you might miss the scoring window entirely. This is why timing is everything in the hazard perception test. You're not reacting to danger, you're anticipating it. That's how you maximize your marks. So by reviewing this clip, you should now have a much clearer understanding of how hazards develop and, most importantly, when the right moment to click actually occurs. The key takeaway here is recognizing the hazard early, staying calm, and remaining vigilant at all times. Hazard perception isn't about guessing or clicking randomly. It's about observing the road environment as a whole and identifying changes that could potentially force you to adjust your speed or direction. Missing a hazard, clicking too early, or reacting too late can all cost you valuable marks. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over a few essential tips that we always recommend to help you score consistently higher. When you spot a developing hazard, always click twice. This helps ensure your response is registered within the scoring window. Avoid clicking repeatedly or continuously. Excessive clicking can result in your attempt to being invalidated. Focus on timing. Aim to click as soon as the hazard begins to develop, not once it has already happened. Stay vigilant at all times. Don't just watch the road ahead. Scan the entire mode environment, including side roads, mirrors, and surrounding traffic. And finally, practice regularly. The more clips you watch and analyze, the better you'll become at recognizing developing hazards and maximizing your score in the real test. That brings us to the end of this hazard perception clip. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming hazard perception practice videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.